Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be covering question 33 from 1.1 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we also find the domain of this function. Once again, the domain is a list of all x values where the function is defined. So if you were to think about it, is there a t value? So the variable in here is t and not x, so let's call it that. So is there a t value which you can substitute here such that this function is undefined? So if you substitute a 0 here, we have the cube root of -1, which you can find. It's -1. What if you substitute 10? You're going to have 20 minus 1, which is the cube root of 19, which is a definite y value which you can find. And you can literally try all the t values in the world, and all of them should give you an answer, because when you have the cube root, you can also have the cube root of a negative number. So there isn't any value that this portion of the function cannot take, or it can't be. So the domain to this is that t can be anything, can be all the values which you can think of. And if you substitute any of those values there, you should be able to find the cube root, which means that the function is defined for all t